Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to change the ringtone on the iPhone 14. To change the ringtone we must go to our settings, and when we are in our settings we go a little bit down to sound and haptics. And here you can see the ringtone and alert volume. If I click on it, then you have the volume of your ringtone and alert volume. And you can change it with the buttons. The volume of ringer and alerts will not be affected by the volume buttons. Okay, so this is what you must do to ringtone and alert volume to change it. But you also can change, of course, the sounds and haptic patterns. And you can see at the moment ringtone has the sound reflection. Or you can use, of course, apex, beacon, bulletin, by the seaside, and a lot of other ones. You can also go to the tone store, and when you are in the tone store, would you like to send you notifications? We say okay, and then not now. All right, so we can choose here alert tones. Okay, so you can also buy alert tones like from Beethoven to Fifth Symphony, or from Darth Vader, or other things. So you can choose here your tones, and you can also watch the charts, iPhone opening drop remix, the Potter's Wheel, or Tom Hanks Houston, we have a problem. Okay, so you can buy them here. So this is pretty easy how to change your ringtone. And you can also change the text tone. All right, so the new voicemail, new mail, sent mail, calendar alerts, and reminder alerts. You can see here calendar alerts and reminder alerts at this moment have vibration only. So you can see here it's none, but you can also change it to chord or none, or what you ever want to. All right, that's how you change your ringtone on the iPhone 14. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.